It's a story. No? Okay, next slide. Name the world's smallest cat. Okay. Yeah. So the answer? Yeah. Nice. Good. Everyone. Okay, next question. Name one plant which eats insect and is only found in Meghalaya. Yeah.
Future plans.
Yeah.
Can I have a round of applause, please? Yes.
Okay, next question. You know Sizu Cave? It is in Sizu area near Bakmara, Gardens, because bats are found there. Huh? First and the largest is the largest national park in Meghalaya.
Just give a guess. There's no negative point. Come on.
Yeah, just
Do
leave
you
it.
know any park in Meghalaya National Park? Just say. Come on.
Huh? Who's it? Yeah. Good. Who's it? Good, good. Animals are those which give birth, like humans are mammals. Yeah, yeah. It's an elephant. Jump. Which mammal cannot jump? Okay, next question. A group of. Huh? Someone goes from there? Yeah, nice. Good. You know, up.
Merayu Bung Laban Khmer.
Yeah. You know, around there. Okay, next question. Good. Animal. What is this animal? Identify this animal.
Dia ada dari tambah ada eh.
Okay, identify this animal.
Ibu bahan ada di point kan deh. Ini ada. Tahu.
Ah, yeah. Okay, next. Come on from there. Go. Yeah. Okay. Huh? Thank you for this session. Anyone has any question? For poaching, or they cut out trees for doing business, for making houses or whatever. So these are some of the alternatives of earning money. Doing a piggery, then doing mushroom cultivation and doing vegetable cultivation and selling it in market. So these are some of the alternatives of not going to forest and then doing something sustainable for the nature and for Africa. So you can also see jeep safaris. It's not possible in some of the places here, but this is from Manas. This photo is from Manas. So whenever some protected area, suppose we have Nongpoh Wildlife Sanctuary here, right? So when people used to come, tourists used to come here, and then they like come to see the animals. They will obviously stay somewhere. So homestays is one of the potential business thing that you can do for tourists. So when you make up homestays, the tourists would come and then stay in it, and then you will gain money. Again, in Inauguration National Park, the local people they're acting as a tour guide. So they take the tourists inside the forest and then they show birds, animals, whatnot, and they earn money from it. So these are some of the alternative livelihoods of like alternative livelihoods for gaining money other than going to forest and then gaining money. It's like okay, so the poop of cats or barking deer or other deer species, we find out the indirect evidences and then we put it. The clouded leopard, the marble cat, Asian golden cat, jungle cat, leopard cat, and common leopard. These are the cat species that are found in Meghalaya till now. Tiger was there, Garo Hills was supposed to be a tiger habitat before, but we haven't recorded any tigers yet. We are still figuring out. So next slide. Next slide. Macaque, rabbit mongoose, samba deer, red serau, barking deer. These are some of the other species. Next slide. Here, wild boar, Indian elephant, and Himalayan black bear, large Indian civet, Asian palm civet, Max palm civet. Civets, there are four types of civets in Meghalaya. The Max palm civet, the Asian palm civet, the small Indian civet, and the large Indian civet. These four types are found in Meghalaya. Before, one more was there, the striped palm civet, but after 2013, it wasn't recorded till now in Meghalaya. Okay. These are the hawk badger, fatted badger, brush-tailed porcupine, yellow-throated martin, Chinese pangolin. Next slide. Next. Squirrels, tree shrews. Tree shrews and squirrels are almost same, but only some difference is there. Then rats. There are lots of rat species in Meghalaya. So all these populations are controlled by whom? The cats. Next. Causes of conflict. Why is human animal conflict is increasing day by day? Because we are like the population, the human population is increasing. Suppose this village, whenever the population is increasing, we will clear forest and then go inside the forest and then take out build our houses, right? This is one of the main cause. So when when we are going inside the forest, the habitat or the home of the animals, they are shrinking. And where they will go? They will come out to our villages only. So in that way, the human-animal conflict are increasing. Another is that crazy. If we take our cows to one field each and every year continuously, then the field will be better like this. So it is called the grasses and all will be over from there. So the place will be all better. So it will be again difficult for us, right? Where we will be that is in turn creating problems to whom? As humans only, they are coming to our house, destroying things. Elephants are coming to our house, they are coming to our field. If they get enough food inside the forest, or if there is much predators inside to control the population of the herbivores or the mouse or the rats, then there will be any human-animal conflict even. Oh, next slide, I'll just show you one. Next slide. See, here you can see a leopard. This is a camera trap image. I'll show you how camera traps work. This is a camera trap image. You can see a leopard is feeding on a rat, right? This is how they are controlling the population of the rat species. Unless rat will come to your
Itong shop, ay sunghay, haro, iki Dominicos, nagtapan, iki staff, iki Bachipat, kanan ay Productos. SM Sahay, IFS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest from Wildlife, Deputy Chief Conservator, IFS Chief Conservator of Forest Wildlife, Nangka ACF to me is Mark Hero Constantine. But the danger to me is Sumarlang Maulong, but the social forestry. The police respected who is the chief guest of the function for inauguration of Nature Interpretation Center in Nongpoh. Second, we have Pro Wildlife Shillong, who is present here on the dais. Asia Bamarkia Hatutu. Other staff of the department, Mr. Medhi, therapist under this division. Other officers and staff present from the department, school children, ladies and gentlemen. I am quite happy to be a part of this occasion in which we are going to inaugurate Nature Interpretation Center in Nongpoh. This is the third in the whole state wherein we are going to have a Nature Interpretation Center focusing wildlife. The first one was in Shillong in Lady Park, which is now Anang White Park. And second one we have just done in the morning at Nehru Park, and this is the third one, second on the same day, which will be inaugurated very soon after this function by our PCC of Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden. And why there is a need to have nature interpretation center is very simple. We have different types of wild animals, wild flora which are available in our state. We are very, very rich as far as biodiversity and wildlife is concerned. But it is very difficult for each and everybody to go and visit and see and witness the importance of wildlife, both flora and fauna. So, in such scenario, we want to educate people, we want to educate children and citizens in general about what is the wildlife health we are having in the state, what is the importance, what are different protected areas we are having, national park, sanctuary, community reserves, what are the different animals which are important, which are state animal, etc. So in a small place, basically, we can showcase so many things, and just within an hour, students and citizens in general, they can have exposure to all the wildlife wealth, to know their importance, how they are beneficial to us, how to protect them, what are the laws governing them, what are the legal provisions in respect of them, what are the opportunities of tourism, which showcases wildlife, both flora and fauna, from the wildlife perspective. So, in this regard, this nature interpretation center will be inaugurated today, and then it will be open to citizens. They can come and visit this. School children, they are the main focus because they need to know from the beginning how important our wildlife is and why it is very, very necessary to protect them. So I wish and hope that this nature interpretation center, once inaugurated today, will be quite useful, quite beneficial, and people in general of this district will be benefited from this and will go for conservation of wildlife in a bigger way. With this, I thank you all for giving me opportunity to be a part of this occasion. Thank you very much.
CCF Wildlife, Shri Sachin, DFO Wildlife, Kassis Division, Bak Hassan Field, ACF Kassis Wildlife Division, Balini, other colleagues in the Forest Department, students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to be here today at this occasion of inauguration of Nature Interpretation Center in Nongpoh. Importance of such centers has already been highlighted by Mr. Agrahari just some time back. Actually, it goes a long way in spreading awareness about wildlife and its conservation, and also inculcate awareness and concern about wildlife conservation. So, and especially for spreading awareness to school kids, and it's so heartening to see their presence here at this occasion. And I'm sure that such center will be very useful for the public of Nongpoh in general and school kids in particular, because we have to inculcate and we have to transmit this concern for wildlife conservation and conservation values from generation to generation for the forthcoming generation also. So this is, I hope this will be very useful for the public in general of Nongpoh. So at this occasion, it gives me a great pleasure to inaugurate this Nature Interpretation Center and dedicate it to the people of Nongpoh. Thank you so much.
Buphang. Fernando Buphang. Fransi Makri. Donald Rambai. Wan Borandatya. Justin Lengda. Ganesh Chetri. Pancretia. Cornelius Sapau. Lumlang Tangkio. Rohit Timung. Ronald Malay. Ribok Harpran. Monju M. Sangma. Monju M. Sangma. Arlin Lendok Nolai. Shembok Nongpoh. Shempang Serliang. Shembok Nongpoh. Shembok Nongpoh. Shembok Nongpoh. Shempang Serliang. Andrew Maring. John Paul Lapang. Syahristin Purba. Thank you, Sir Madhya. Now I call Sir P.K. Agrahari, Chief Conservator of Forest, to hand over the meeting of the appreciation certificate. Bunlang Sengkili. Prosper Sharaf. Sri Bijaran. Rocky Lengda. Yainet Sendram. Owen Koi Solia. Jackison Noshri. Jackison Noshri. Apa Lapang. Ignatius Mangrong. Shanroy Lengda. Shanroy Lengda, but Riban Lamerthop. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your